Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to create Microsoft Outlook account. Okay, so I'm going to show in my window 10. So I suggest you, if you are going to create the Microsoft Outlook account, use the Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, don't use the Chrome browser. Okay, because when you create account and login in Microsoft mail account with your Microsoft Edge browser, that is very useful and it is very helpful to use another Microsoft product. Okay, so just log in with your Microsoft Edge. If you want to create the account, Microsoft account, then use the Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, but I have already created my account and I already log in it with my Hotmail here, so I will show you in my Chrome browser. So guys, first come to the browser, use the Microsoft Edge browser, and come to the Google and search Microsoft Outlook. Then this link will be open. Okay, this Outlook account, just open it. After open, you will see this window. Now go to the create the free account. Okay, so guys, you can name it, you can enter the name of your account. So if this is not able, then you have to enter another account. If I enter this account, okay, if I use this Hotmail and if I click, you can see this somebody already taken this email ID. So you can change it, you can rename it or some make changes. Okay, so here you can see you can use outlook.com and hotmail.com, both. It is both are from Microsoft, so you can use any domain here. So I just use Outlook only. Click on next. Here you have to enter the password, so I just select the password and enter it and just click on next. Then you have to enter your first name, last name. Okay, so select the country, date of birth, and select the next. Okay, so your account will be created. Okay, so this is creating my Outlook account. So let it open first. I will show you another information. So here we have some puzzle. Okay, pick up the mouse. So I just hit the mouse here. Oops, at least one you answer not quite right. Okay, I have to try again. Pick up the mouse. So I think this is mouse, right? And this is a mouse. So well done. So Outlook will be open now. Yeah, just I have to stay sign in. It's opening now, guys. So guys, this is your Outlook. Okay, Outlook email ID. You can check your email ID from here. Okay, this is your email ID. You can use this email ID in Outlook app also. If you're using Outlook app, you can use in Outlook app. And this is the email ID. Here you can see lots of service of Microsoft. Okay, or here the okay, here you can see the all application from Microsoft 365. You can see all app from here, and this is for okay, this is mail. You can check inbox. You can create new email from here. Okay, you can create new email. You can also create folders here. Okay, so there are lots of features you can use in Microsoft Outlook email. Okay, so that is how you can create new email. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.